Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm a part-time reseller. I sell on eBay and Poshmark, and today, instead of vintage, I decided this week to order some mystery boxes, and I was going for reseller mystery boxes, but I don't think that's what I got. So on Poshmark, I decided to like some boxes, and when I got offers for those boxes, I ended up taking them. So all these boxes were discounted, and I got 3 of them. And I spent a little more money than I should have, I think. But so one box I paid $18, another box I paid $40, and the other box I paid $65. Yikes. So hopefully that's a good one. But let me go ahead and dig into these and let you know what's inside of these mystery boxes. Okay, so this first mystery box just said mystery box 10 items for one price. And the price, she offered me a 20% discount with $4.99 shipping, so I only ended up paying $18. So for 10 items, $18. I'm not expecting much with this box. Maybe it'll be a box for my daughter. But let's just go ahead and see what's inside. I mean, it's always fun. Mystery. Oh, there's a cute little note, and she misspelled my name. But that's okay. For your mystery box. Oh, enjoy your mystery box. I need to learn to read. Thank you for buying from me. I really appreciate it. I've enclosed a free gift for you. That's nice. Feel free to reposh if it isn't your style. That's nice. She even included paper, which is cute. All right. Let's see. A 3D sleep mask. Pretty cool. I'll take that. My husband will like that. He doesn't sleep too well lately. All right. Already opened this up. There's a big stain on it. I don't know if you can see that. But it's Calvin Klein. Let's see. It's a large. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. It's like a huge mustard stain. That's fine. It's super cute, but maybe I can wash it out. It's stained. Okay. This is cute. It's a little coin purse. I could use this. I'm not mad. I'm not mad about the stain. Okay, this is new with tags from the Gap. Oh boy, my daughter has a surprise for me. It's cute. It's a little tank top. That's nice.
Hi, Mama.
Hi.
Do you want to see this picture?
I'll be right back. Okay, for those who don't know, this is my daughter Chloe.
Hi.
Hi. She wants to help me with the mystery box. Do you want to pull something out?
This out.
Yep, pull it out. Let me see what this is. Let's open it.
Your shoe.
It's my shoe.
You can do that.
It's 6.5.
You can
I've never
take
heard
that
of this
to
brand,
school.
but it looks pretty new.
Can I put some
So
out?
I'm pretty sure this is the other one.
No, I can do it.
Okay, she's gonna do
Two.
it. 2 shoes?
I find it.
Who would have thought? Okay, let's pull the next thing. Oh,
That's yours.
it's mine.
You can wear that at school.
Ooh, I don't think I could wear this at school.
Wear
It's
it.
cute though.
Wait. I'm pulling.
Oh, it comes with underwear. Oh.
I can't eat it. Underwear. Look at this.
Okay, she's super excited. Oh, okay, pull out the next
Oh
thing.
my God.
Show the camera. Oh goodness.
It's super. No, I don't.
Okay, hey, let's see what the brand is. Ariana. Let's show them. Ariana. It's cute. It's a
Can I
little
pull
top.
something else out?
Oh, it also has a stain.
Oh my.
Oh goodness.
Gosh.
Wow. Guess what mommy paid for this? $18? I don't remember.
$18? That's a lot.
Oh, it's
I
not a
can't
lot.
count that much.
Yes, you can.
No, I can't.
This is a cute little purse. I may be able to,
Mommy,
Sell
guess
this?
what?
oh boy, another top. This looks like Calvin Klein, but nope, it's Anna.
Hey, Mommy,
And I think
guess
this
what?
brand is sold at Kohl's.
You get a mustache.
I could probably reposh
Look!
it. What?
You get another purse. Look inside.
It's a coin purse. Maybe do you want it?
Look inside.
Yes, there's nothing inside. Okay, show our friends. We
Oh.
actually got a lot. Oh boy, don't worry about tomorrow. God is already there.
Lipstick.
Lipstick?
What?
No. These are some bands for
Oh.
a watch.
Watch. Look, there's a letter.
Oh boy.
Mommy,
Oh,
guess
cute.
what? We got something.
Some jewelry, earrings.
Guess what? And
Oh boy.
your favorite shirt.
Woman's arrow pattern scarf.
Mommy, your favorite shirt.
Oh, and my favorite shirt. Ooh. Apartment 9.
That's
Retail
it.
$22.
This is another one.
This is what it says. I'm not going to read it because I can't read backwards. Just don't have that. Okay, that was all for box number 1. So that was
Let's
great.
do the other
For
one.
$18,
Let's
I
do
am pretty
the other
impressed.
one.
So we'll do another one as soon as we come back. Okay, so that first box had, crap, I forgot, 13, 14 pieces. So it was actually more than 10, so that was really nice. And I thought a lot of items were super nice. And I'm going to resell a few of them and maybe keep some or maybe give some to friends. So that was nice. This second box was actually a reseller box. So this said Shoes and Bags Mystery Resellers Box Bundle Lot. And I paid again $40 for this one. So hopefully it's pretty good. Okay, I had to grab some scissors. But here we go. So already pretty cute wrapping paper. Kind of like these. These are cute. Let's see. Oh, it says Sia shoes. And these are from Who What Wear, which I know isn't really an expensive brand. But these are really cute and probably could easily resell. This marker, I'm going to take it off with some, oh, there's some on the bottom too, $4. What is it called? Alcohol. So you just put alcohol in a Q-tip and you can rub off any marker, most likely any permanent marker. So those are cute. I don't know what this is. Any brand? Oh, there is a brand on it. Oh, this is Express. So this is a cute little bag. It's got a little tassel on it. Well, maybe it is a crossbody. Yeah, it could be a crossbody. So it's brown. I'm not going to keep it for myself, but I could probably resell this. Maybe $10. I don't know. These, not really the greatest shoes. I probably have to donate these because they were $5. But I'm not the biggest fan. Note, don't use paper with glitter on it or whatever these are called because they get stuck to all of my stuff. Okay, next bag. Okay, so it does have it. Oh, I don't know. Not some Chinese or Japanese. It's leather. Meh. And let's see, some boots. These were originally $50. Yeah, don't really have a brand on them. They're cute though. I mean, you can't really sell stuff unless it has a brand on it. So that was it. That was it for this box. I'm not really that impressed. $40 was a lot. So I got 1, 2, 3 pairs of shoes and 2 purses. So I don't know. I'm gonna call that a wah-wah. But next box. Okay, so this is a bigger box, and I paid the bigger amount, $65 for this one. So I'm expecting big things from this box. It said it was a mystery box of handbags and wallets. So let's hope I get something good. Okay, so it's bubble wrapped, which is, I guess, nice. I'm gonna put it on the ground. So it looks pretty full. I'm pretty excited. Just gonna pull out this first thing here. It's a backpack. It's pretty cute. Oh, it's Massimo. Yeah, I'm not impressed with this one. It does look used, so it's not new with tags. Massimo is from Target. I guess they used to be with Puckle, but this looks like a Target bag. So, all right, who is this guy? Oh, it's China. So this was made in China. Oh, it comes with a wallet. I guess the wallet does not match. It's a no-name wallet. Cute, I guess. But this bag looks kind of like a beachy bag. Oh, okay. I don't know if this is Saks Fifth Avenue, if it's resellable or not. That's decent, I guess. Next bag has a little bit of a stain on it. Max. It says Max on the Max New York. Not familiar with this one. That's okay. I guess we'll see if I can find any comps. Victor and Rolf Flower. I don't know what that means. Oh geez. Thank you for your purchase again. Please stop by again. I'm constantly adding new items. Just a bunch of stuff. Oh, sad day. Sad day. Just a bunch of body lotions. Armani Prima. Oh, Giorgio Armani. Whatever. This one. Oh, Vera Bradley. Okay, that's. I'm gonna have to work on this one. It's got a lot of hair on it. But it's cute. I could probably do something with that online. It's just stuffed? Yes. Alright. Well, $10. Yeah. Then this guy. No name. Man. Sometimes I feel like I shouldn't be nice. All these people were super nice to me. My favorite box was the $18 box. Just because it was so much fun. Yeah, I'm not impressed with the last two, and I paid the most for them. So I'm gonna try to get $140 back. But we'll see what happens. So sorry it was a bust, but thanks for watching. I mean, give me a thumbs up because I spent a lot of money and got nothing. But also subscribe to my channel for more content. And I'll see you next time.